So first thing, head into settings, then type in battery, and that is going to allow you to essentially have a look at the apps that consume the most power, and just make sure that if you have an app that is constantly consuming a lot of power, always try to delete it, always try to remove it, because that's what's causing the problem. The second reason might be because of your Wi-Fi connection. So if your Wi-Fi connection isn't strong enough, or let's say you're quite distant from the range of your Wi-Fi or 4G, what's going to happen is your phone is going to be constantly trying to connect automatically and is going to be failing at it. So because of that, always put your airplane mode on to avoid it, or just remove your Wi-Fi. Then another reason might be because of your brightness. So whenever you're not using your phone, always try to reduce it as much as you can to reduce battery consumption. And then another thing you can do is place your iPhone face down when receiving notification. The thing about iPhones is every time you receive a notification, your iPhone turns on. So just make sure to always keep your phone face down. That way, when you do receive a notification, the phone doesn't light up and consume energy. Another thing you can do is disable raise to wake. So what you want to do is go into settings, then go onto your display and brightness, and make sure the raise to wake is turned off. I know it's, fun to be able to just, grab your phone and it turns on. However, it consumes energy in the background because your phone is constantly, essentially, have movement algorithms going on constantly to make sure it wakes up when you uh, grab the phone. So if you turn that off, is going to be better. Then the last thing you can check is actually your battery health. So again, go into setting and type in battery, and then you can check your battery health uh, here, and you can check your maximum capacity right there. Mine is at 75%. Anything below 50%, that might be the reason why you see extremely low battery. And at that point, you may want to look into replacing your battery. That's the video, and see you guys.